We are almost halfway through the year, and the question with most of us is, am I really living through the year, or the year is actually living through me? Am I really doing my level best to achieve everything that I wanted at the beginning of the year? And I have a feeling that most people are at that point whereby it's already the 6th month of the year. So many years has already passed, and I can't really show much about it. Am I really going in the wrong direction? Or it's just because I have not taken time to think, to reflect, and even to do an audit of my life to understand that actually there are things that I've been able to achieve. So in today's video, I'm just going to walk you through what I really feel and how I think through the year coming this way far, right? And it is a challenge, and it's mostly a challenge for all of us when we look at how much of the year has been spent. And the question is, what do I have to show for in this year? Everyone else's life seems to be working through, and this achievement to this other achievement to that other manifestation. And the question is, am I really stuck? Why does it seem as if my life is not going on? It seems as if I'm a spectator in other people's lives. How is my life this quote-unquote disorganized? These are questions of desperation, but are also questions that can really help us to build up on what we would like to say as the life that I would want. Sometimes we sit down and look at other people and have a feeling as if their life is moving on well. They are doing well with their lives. But it seems as if I am stuck. I don't have anything that is working for me. And the root of all this comes from one thing, comparison. But the other thing that comes really closely to that is, I think sometimes we do not take enough time to sit down, reflect, do an audit, and ask ourselves some critical questions. See, life gets us to the point in which we actually want. Life just doesn't happen. Where you are in life, it can be added up as the many decisions that you have been making all through life. And the one thing that I'm asking myself, and I'm challenging us, is to just find time, even as this month is starting. Yes, we have deadlines to beat, we have so much work to work on, we have so many projects to chase, but probably this is your call to just take some time off and think, reflect, and ask yourself, where am I really going, or where am I actually taking this life? See, sometimes life actually happens when we're thinking we're actually doing life. But we haven't taken time out enough to ask ourselves, what is really happening with my life? Am I really where I would want to be? Am I really where I am comfortable? Or is this what really I wanted? Or there's something more? We can always challenge ourselves to do more. We can always challenge ourselves to be more. We can always call greatness inside of us. But it can only come from a point of, I have audited my life and I have seen this thing that is lacking. And this can only be achieved by, and then you start listing the things. Personally, I'm having a huge challenge in maintaining a good body physique. Either through diet, through working out, that is a must. Like, I have to challenge myself. This is what I want, and this can only be achieved by 1, 2, 3. I need to wake up early to go and work out. I need to eat properly. I need to ensure that my meals have been spaced up quite properly. That's one of the greatest challenges I think I have up until now. But is it something that I really want to do? I think yes. Is it something that I really want to challenge myself? Yes. How badly do you want the life that you want? That is another question that I'm asking myself. Where am I and where I am? It's a statement I wrote the other day. Actually, like, where am I and where I am? The first one is, okay, both of them are questions, but it helps us to illuminate life to the kind of things that we're actually doing. I'm running a business, yes, but is it running the best way that I want it to be? Yes, having this project, I'm having this YouTube channel, is it going in the direction of which I'm super excited in the direction in which it's taking? Is it where I want it to be, or I can be able to push in and do more? There's someone who challenged me, I think last week. Are you doing life as if your life actually depends on you doing it? Yes, nothing. I think nothing close to that. Sometimes we're so reluctant that we're just easy. We're just doing the bare minimums. And I don't think my life or our lives can be as impactful if we're just doing the bare minimums. And I'm not ranting. I'm not talking down to anyone. I'm not bashing you. But I think we can do more. We can be more. We can challenge ourselves to be more, right? And this month of June, we have to chase that greatness that is inside of us and bring it out into the world. You see, death has a way of snapping our minds back to reality. In the month of May, we can say I lost a friend or someone who is close, arrested, or died. And this really snapped my mind to the reality of maybe this is the last time that you're actually seeing me. We will tell each other kwaheri, and the next 5 minutes, either one of us is not there. What kind of memory will you want me to live with? I think we can do more. This is our challenge. This is our charge. Through the month of June, I wish you greatness. I wish you all the best that you can be able to do in your life. And most importantly, I wish more for you. Cheers.